This company got started with our passion for anything having to do with bikes, and a little bit of experience in medical optical measuring. We surrounded ourselves with experts in the bike fitting and cycling industry and thought we'd have a go at changing the way people interact with their bikes. This led to the Retul 3D motion capture bike fitting system. With that foundation, we designed more tools, like the rotating platform, the Zin bike measuring tool, the adjustable wheel block, the Retul Muve fit bike, and the Frame Finder web application. We have some exciting future enhancements coming, like real-time measuring, pedaling analysis, and pelvic tracking. We're going to continue to inject technology into bike fit.
I've been conducting 3D bike fits here in Boulder, Colorado for 15 years. Since I've been at Retul, we have fit 5 Pro Tour teams, as well as some of the top male and female mountain bikers in the world, as well as some of the top triathletes in the world. And the thing here at Retul is no matter if you're a world champion Ironman or an amateur cyclist that just likes to be happy on their bike, we use the same protocol for everyone. Through infrared tracking, the Retul 3D bike fit system creates a full-body numerical model of the cyclist in 3-dimensional space. This allows the fitter the ability to quantitatively analyze certain cycling-specific motion patterns such as joint angles, range of motion, pelvic stability, and knee loading. This allows our fitters the ability to adjust each rider's fit with a very high degree of precision. The first step is a rider interview to get to know your rider, to identify their goals and priorities for the fit. The second step is the rider physical assessment. This is to get to know a little bit more about your rider, the anatomical and physiological makeup of that rider, as well as any limitations that rider may have. The third step is a dynamic fit protocol. We use 2-dimensional and 3-dimensional data to analyze the motion of the rider. This is the big differentiating point with Retul, in that we use dynamic data to make our fit decisions, compared to the old days of fit where a lot of fitters would use static measurements. The dynamic data is much more powerful because you get to see more how your rider moves. We do this through 2-dimensional and 3-dimensional tracking. The 2-dimensional tracking is very good to interact with your client and show them how they look on the bike, how they sit on the bike, how their knees move, how their hips move. The 3D tracking is very good because it generates accurate data to use different body angles, different alignments on the bike to arrive at a better fit. The fourth step in my fit protocol is a dynamic technique analysis. This is important after the fit to make sure that not only is the fit correct, but your rider's moving well on the bike. So with the technique analysis, we look at things like knee tracking, pelvic stability, and upper body posture. You can have the whole fit right, and if your rider doesn't pedal the bike well, they're not going to get everything out of it that they truly can. So it's very important during the bike fit to bring the road into the lab and not only do the fit, but make sure that your rider is optimized so that they can go out and deliver good power to the pedal stroke and get good efficiency out of their cycling experience. The fifth step in my fit protocol is to Zin the bike, or digitize the bicycle into the Retul system. This process scans all of the contact points of the bicycle into the system, and the software generates all of the measurements between those points. This is very important for the fitter and the rider, as at any time down the road they can get this position back. The adjustable wheel block is another one of our tools in our total bike fit solutions package. It allows the fitter the ability to micro adjust the front wheel height for any bike that's in the trainer. This is very important during a bike fit to ensure that each fit starts on level ground. A fit bike is a necessary tool for anyone who wants to offer regular bike fit services for either riders who want to purchase a new bike or for bike fit instances where a rider does not have their own bike with them. It's great for shops that want to offer a sizing appointment without necessarily pulling bike after bike off the shelf. We released the Muve at Interbike 2011, and the response was overwhelming. And now we have a highly, quickly adjustable dynamic fit bike that works with any type of bicycle fitting methodology. Most fit bikes are hard to adjust, so that makes them hard to use in commercial settings. With the Retul Muve, with the turn crank adjustability, can make changes really quickly without the rider having to get off the bike, or for that matter, even stop pedaling. And the rider can feel the effect of those changes. So the adjustments on this bike with the Retul Muve, it complements the Retul motion capture system very well. However, if you are not a motion capture fitter, you are able to use the Muve with any other fit technique or philosophy. It comes with magic rulers that measure frame, stack, and reach. So at any time during your fit, you can find out what bike your rider's on.
One of the smartest decisions somebody can make when in the market for a new bike is to get it fit first. Cycling has moved into a new era where sizing before buying makes total sense and removes the risk of making that expensive mistake of buying a bike that just isn't suitable. Framefinder is a game changer. It provides the ultimate link between the bike manufacturer, the bike fitter, and the rider. A sizing assessment using the Retul Muve, coupled with Framefinder, offers riders a totally unbiased opinion on the optimum frame to suit their individual position. Framefinder works directly from the rider's plotted fit coordinates, generated from the Retul motion capture system. Only through the dynamic fit process can a fitter be 100% certain as to what bike a rider should purchase. Purchasing a new bike that can have limitations on your optimal position can end up in a really expensive mistake and can really take from the satisfaction and experience that a rider has on that bike.
Retul has most recently put a lot of our focus on creating bike fit solutions for the bike fitter who is just getting started offering dynamic fitting services or looking to take a beginner level bike fit experience to the next level. We created Retul University as a way to educate our fitters about the use of our technology and also about bike fit in general. We started by releasing a certification course which is designed to certify fitters to use the Retul system effectively. Since our initial certification course was released, we've continued to roll out other courses. We've added a transition to dynamic bike fitting course. We've added a time trial and triathlon specific fitting class. And we are also adding a course on how to analyze odd and problematic motion patterns to really teach fitters the capacity of the 3D fit system. Compared to other fit education systems across the world, Retul University is different because we offer small class sizes with hands-on training, and we also have real clients coming in during the university to get real bike fits, and this greatly helps the students learn how to use our technology not only in a classroom setting, but also in a commercial setting. So when they go back to their bike shop or their physical therapy clinic, they know exactly how to use it with their clients.
We invite anyone interested in learning more about our bike fit solutions to contact any of the staff at Retul, see us at a trade show, or visit us at retul.com.